Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today, we've got an Allure box, so let's get into it and check it out. I haven't done Allure for the longest time on the channel when Amazon quit carrying it, so did I. But I was starting to really miss it. I remembered that in the end there when we were getting it, they were doing such a great job. And I thought, you know what, we need to check Allure out. So I've signed up so far for 3 months. We'll check it out and see if we want to still keep getting it. Let me tell you, I signed up for the 3 months. And if you sign up for the 3 months, you do get a little bit of a discount. If you sign up by month, you get your first box for $20. And then after that, it's $29.99 per box. If you sign up quarterly, you get 3 boxes for $69, which saves you $20 in the quarter, and you get a free Huda setting powder. So I guess that's going to be in this box. And then if you sign up as an annual, you get 12 boxes for $262, which saves you an extra $25. Plus, you get a bonus box worth $265. You get the free Huda setting powder. You get an extra $25 off right now at checkout. So depending on how you want to sign up, Allure is having a sale. I decided, since we hadn't had it in a while, just to go for the quarterly. And if we try it for the quarter and we like it, then I'll sign back up for the year. Gotten a little pricey, but that's basically the same price as the BoxyCharm. This is what it looks like when we open it up. We're familiar with that nice red inner box. This is our paperwork that'll tell us a little bit about everything that's inside. You get $10 in member store credit when you sign up. I knew that was gonna happen. And then, ooh, these are our goodies. This is the June box. And the other thing that has changed since, well, when I did Allure last, again, I did it through Amazon, so I didn't have customization choices. But now with Allure, most months there's a choice that you get to make about color or something like that. I got to do it this month. I'll just do it right away with our first product, and it is the Buxom Power Line. And when I re-signed up for the box, they let me choose which color I wanted this to be. And I chose Dangerous Dolly. She's a dangerous dolly. And it is a plumping liner. I could use a plumping liner. So I think that the color of the plastic might be the color of the lippy. That's pretty cool. It is a twist up. It is one of the triangle lippies. Let's put a little bit right there. Oh, she's a great color for me. I love that. Kind of a mauvey deep pink. Yes, I like that a lot. It will go, where is it? There it is. It'll go with most of the lippies that I choose to wear. The paperwork says that it is the Buxom Power Line Plumping Lip Liner, and you could have chosen Real Red, Dangerous Dolly, Smooth Spice, or High Def Honey. And again, I chose that is the Dangerous Dolly. Dolly doesn't sound like a dangerous name to me. Of course, I'm picturing Dolly Parton. Even if you've never used lip liner in your life, you'll now be shaping your lips like a pro. While some pencils are dry, they skip and feel uncomfortable. Buxom's unique formula is creamy with an angled tip that maneuvers easily around the Cupid's bow and corners. It comes in velvety matte shades that make it easy to overdraw your lips without looking fake. And the shades are so pretty, you might not want to cover them up. So you could use this absolutely as a lippy, and it did go on very smooth. I like that color. And I just found this little card that came out with it, and it says every month you'll get $125+ in value. So that's gone up since last I did this. I think it was 100 back then. At least 6 products in each box. 3 or more will be full-sized, all selected by Allure editors, exclusive offers on limited edition boxes, and access to our member store for up to 80% off beauty essentials. Next out, we have the Head and Hair Heal Shampoo. Those are pretty good sizes. What are they? Probably 2 ounces? 3.4 ounces, even better than 2 ounces. And they are nicely taped, so they're sealed. They are the type that you push down to pop up. I believe it's sealed for now, but let's read about these. It is the Maria Nila Head and Hair Real Shampoo that says a luxe way to treat an itchy scalp or dandruff. Now that's worthy of an Allure Best of Beauty award. This shampoo smells great and soothes dry, itchy scalps with aloe while tackling flakes with, I don't know what that is, Pyroxone Olamine. And then the Maria Nila Head and Hair Heal Conditioner. Sweet relief for dry scalps, no matter the cause. Time spent at the beach, product overload. This conditioner moisturizes scalps, helps treat flakiness, and smooths strands. Well, I do not have a dry scalp. I tend to be an oily scalp. That's why I have to wash my hair so often. But my mom was just mentioning the other day that she needed some shampoo and conditioner. These are cute little sizes. But she has very short hair. Oh, it smells good. So it would probably last her quite some time. It's kind of peachy. I like that scent a lot. It's very fresh, perfect for summer. Yeah, I will pass these along to my mom. I'll tell her about them, and if she would like to try them, they will be perfect for her. Next out, we have a Naked Sundays SPF 50 Collagen Glow 100% mineral sunscreen. Yay! I try and only do mineral sunscreens. Actually, I bought, Merit has come out with a tinted sunscreen that's a mineral sunscreen that I have been using for the glow a little bit this summer, and I'm enjoying that. But I'm here to tell you, with summer here, I'm going through more SPF. I know you should be just as good with it in the winter as you are in the summer, but I'm not. I should be. But I can't get my husband, obviously, the new one I got, I can't get my husband to use because obviously it's tinted. So we need a new one that we can share and I can rub on his face and or head. Uh-oh. Now that I've said that, this one is also tinted. Actually, that color is fantastic. Let's see how the coloring does. Oh, it's thick. It is very thick, but not real greasy thick. Almost no scent. It feels actually very much like the Merit. Can you tell the difference in my smoothness on this hand and the glow that it gave it? I can tell the difference. Oh, there you go. That is the shine off that. That is a nice glow. I would say this probably has a little bit more coverage than the Merit, if that's what you're looking for. Let's read about it now that I've put it on my body. Let's see what's in it. Naked Sundays SPF 50 Plus Collagen Glow 100% Mineral Sunscreen. High SPF and more radiant skin? Yes, please. This rich tinted cream gives you SPF 50 Plus from the mineral sunscreen zinc oxide and a more flattering finish than a lot of other formulas or even moisturizers. It wears like a radiant tinted hydrator more than a sunscreen. Who knows? You might even look forward to reapplying this summer. I have never worked out. I know you're supposed to reapply every couple of hours when you're out on the sun, even in your face, when you're out in the sun, even on your face. I wear makeup too much. I don't know how to pull that off. So my face gets a one and done with whatever I put on like this. However, I have purchased the Supergoop. They have, I'll link it below, they have a powder that's in its own little to-go container that I reapply with if I'm out there. Like if we're at the pool for a long day for a kid's swim meet or something like that, then that's a great place to reapply it. And it does double duty. It kicks the shine off and it gives you a nice SPF without looking cakey. It doesn't look white or anything. It kind of just takes the shine off, which I'm generally looking to do if I've been out there for a long time in the summer. But again, I'll link that Supergoop below. This also feels nice. I almost feel like I could wear this in the summer without a moisturizer. That's how moisturizing this feels. Next out, I have Neptune Luna Nectar Hydrate Blur Hyaluronic Acid Serum. That is what that looks like. It is very heavy. Let's take it out. Ooh, it's so pretty. Look how pretty that is. I love it when things are pretty. Not that you can't use them if they're not gorgeous, but I love it when they're pretty enough that you're like, oh, I want to set that on my vanity. That looks very cool. The paperwork says an elegant summer serum. This is lightweight and refreshing. It leaves skin feeling smoother and more hydrated with hyaluronic acid and has antioxidants like green tea that offer additional free radical protection when layered under sunscreen, like your new one from Naked Sundays. The price on the Buxom Lippy was $22, bearing in mind that the box, if you do monthly, is $29.99, and then the price goes down if you take it out over time. The shampoo and conditioner, we got 100 ml. If it was the 350 ml box, it would be $36. So it's about $10 for the shampoo and $10 for the conditioner. Then we have the SPF, which is full-sized, and that is a $34 value. And now we have the serum, and that is full-sized, and it has a $39 value. So we're doing well for our $30 again this month. Let's see what this serum feels like. Okay, perfect, not too much. It is You can see the purple of it. See if it's oily or how it smells, that kind of thing. Oh, it doesn't feel like it's gonna be an oily serum. It feels wet, not oily, like it's going to absorb. It has no scent. And yes, it is going to absorb. It is not an oily serum, but I can feel the hydration on my hand. Oh, see the little bit of glow that it's got now? This is the glow from the, oh, it's still, I can still feel that SPF, so the jury is out on that until I use it on my face, but this feels really nice. I like it when a serum is not oil-based and it totally absorbs, especially in the summer, because I do tend to be, despite how dry I am in the winter, I do tend to be a little bit oilier-ish. I wouldn't use the word oily, but a little glowier in the summer. So I do appreciate a water serum more, and that's so pretty. Next out, we have Truly Vanilla Baby Luxury Body Oil. I like the way that looks. That'll be fun for summer. The paperwork says body moisturizer is a summer staple, but sometimes you might want it to feel a little less utilitarian. That's where this body oil comes in with its warm vanilla scent and glimmering finish. It is full-sized and is $30 for 1.7 ounces. It says it visibly plumps skin for added volume, tighter looking skin, and a glistening satin finish. This is for my body, right? Yes. Okay, I don't think you're firming my body, I'm just saying. I don't mean it to be too rough. One should be more gentle on oneself, but I don't think you're firming this up. Okay, that is what the bottle looks like. Again, 10 out of 10 for vanity sitting. Should we start scoring things for how pretty it's gonna be sitting on your vanity? Because we had 2 really good ones in this. Sealed, we like it sealed. What's going on here? I just take this out. I wonder if I'm supposed to put this back in each time. I don't think that's gonna happen. It's very subtle, I like it. It is very thick. How am I supposed to get this out of here? Is there a secret to this I am missing? No. Okay, so you just do that, I guess, until you get some, which I did. Let's put the lid back on before I end up with this oil all over myself, which is very Catherine. Since I have it in this hand, we'll be putting it on this arm. So let's look at the glow. It does have some glow because I used my Perlier moisturizer today. Oh, I can see it. Can you guys see it? I hope so. Right in through here especially. Oh, it smells, they are correct. It smells very warm and vanilla. I did not have much and I could do my whole arm with it. I hope you guys can see this. See the shine on that? I'm here to tell you, I'm not a young woman. I don't call myself old, but I will say, I'm not a young woman. And that feels really nice, and it's nice to have that. Here, see on this arm? No glow. This arm? Glow. I always choose just the most convenient places to show you guys this, but yes, that looks fantastic. How much was that if I want to buy it? $30 for 1.7 ounces, which is this. And it is vegan and clean. That's gotta be so much better for you than all of the moisturizers, because the list of ingredients is always crazy on moisturizers. Well, I feel like I should do my other arm because I think I'm going out to lunch in a little bit. It is, I will say, it gets a 10 out of 10 for vanity sitting. It gets a solid 8 or 9 out of 10 for how it looks. Oh yeah, maybe a 10 out of 10 for that. It gets like a 5 out of 10 for dispensing because it's a little difficult to get out of there. I do love the scent though, and I do love how healthy and moisturized it made my skin look. I mean, oh my goodness, on the front of your legs when you put on, well, I'll say shorts. I wear capris, I don't put my legs out there too much in shorts, but yeah, this makes your skin look so, it's just not translating. Looks so healthy and moisturized in person. Love that. I wonder if it comes in other scents. I picture this in a coconut. Okay, we have one more product. Move on, Catherine. It is a good product too. This is the Huda Beauty Easy Bake. It's not, oh, right. No, sorry. This isn't part of the June box, but if you don't already get Allure and you sign up, it is the sign up bonus. So the Huda Beauty Easy Bake is not part of the June box. It is your sign up bonus. I think you had to sign up for the 3 months to get this one. Oh yeah, no, this isn't the color I have upstairs. I think I have a basic translucent up there because I can see, it probably won't translate, I can see the slight pink tone in this. So this is easy bake because they do literally want me to bake with it. Loose baking and setting powder. And then they tell you on the back how to bake. Oh, the first ingredient is talc. I am so glad I didn't open it. I hate that because it's hooded and it looks absolutely amazing. But I'm gonna call it my talc-free journey. I keep saying I'm gonna make a video about the health journey that I feel like I'm on. Oh, look, it says easy bake. Oh, I probably can't, but on the clear plastic part right here, it says easy bake really big. It's kind of cool looking. Anyway, I am on a health journey to eating better. I've cut out sugar. I've cut out fake sugar. Part of my beauty routine is I'm trying to cut out talc. I will readily admit some of my eyeshadows have it in it, but especially things that are loose powders and I'm just puffing all over my and inhaling. I know it doesn't bother a lot of people, but for personal reasons, I have decided to try and avoid talc. So that will go into a giveaway, and that is a good one. So this was our June box from Allure. For my sign-up bonus, I got the Hooded Easy Bake, the shampoo and conditioner in the 3.4 ounces, the Naked Sundays sunscreen, the Luna Nectar hyaluronic acid with extra antioxidants in it, this really pretty, wonderfully smelling oil for your skin that just makes your skin look amazing, and the Buxom lip liner. So this was a great box. Like I said, when you sign up, you get this. So this isn't part of the box, but even the other products with the shampoo and conditioner and that body oil and the sunscreen and the lip liner, I could just list them all again. It was a fantastic box. Okay, excellent. That was our first Allure back on the channel in quite some time. It does not look like they have missed a beat. This is a box that I'm just getting. It's not sponsored on the channel or anything like that. I will put a link down below just to take you over to Allure Beauty if you would like to check it out. Let me know what you guys think. Is it worth bringing back to the channel? I think probably it is. I really enjoy the products that we got in this box. So thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you being here. I hope I will see you again really soon. I hope you're having a fantastic summer out there. Oh my goodness though. Are you staying inside? It was 100 for 3 days straight here, which in Maryland is, I know if you're in the Midwest, you're like, yeah. No, that's hot for us. We're not dealing with it well. We're kind of whiny. So anyway, I hope you are having a fantastic summer, staying cool or staying warm, whichever is your preference. And I hope I see you again really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know when we have more videos coming out. I'll see you soon. Bye guys.